You basically said COVID is priority number one. COVID defeat is priority number one. Are you comfortable that we are properly equipped to defeat this pandemic as South Africans?
We all confront, and in a way, there are two sides to this conflict, or this task of defeating conflict. It's the people of South Africa on the one side, and COVID-19 on the other side. This was so clearly characterized by someone in the NEC, and I agree with that characterization. The people of South Africa are all aligned on the one side, meaning that we all have to work together, and in many ways we have been working together. And if you ever wanted a Tumamina moment, what we've been doing since COVID descended on our country has been precisely that. So many South Africans have joined in the fight against COVID, from individuals to organizations, churches, traditional leaders, political parties, business, government officials, you name it. We've all been involved in this fight. Are we well equipped? I would say that we've been getting equipped as we've been confronting every aspect of this challenge. Initially, when we locked down the country earlier last year, we did so because we wanted to get better prepared. And we did, to a large extent, get more prepared, rolling out even temporary hospitals and training our frontline workers, particularly health workers. So that happened. We raised the funding, and government mobilized enormous resources to engage against this fight. Now, we're now engaged in the other different aspect of the fight against COVID, which is rolling out vaccines and getting access to a good number of those vaccines. So as we've been moving on, we've been gathering more capacity, more knowledge, more information, and I think we've done relatively well against this COVID that is consuming and destroying so many lives, as well as livelihoods.
Well, South Africa's cumulative total of COVID-19 cases identified is 1,192,570. There are 21,980 new positive cases. The country has recorded 616 more COVID-19 related deaths. This brings the national death toll to 32,425. The Health Department says that 215 people have died in the Eastern Cape, 146 in the Western Cape, 75 in Gauteng, KwaZulu-Natal recording 72 deaths, the Northwest 55, 27 in the Free State, Limpopo 11, Mpumalanga 11 too, and the Northern Cape 4. Recoveries now standing at 947,919, representing a recovery rate of 79.5%.